Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So yesterday I exited shares worth rupees 2 crores. One of the main trade is McDowell's and the other trade is ITC. So you guys know that I've been holding McDowell's for more than 10 months. I took up this trade last October 2021 and I was in a profit of 32 lakhs I guess, and it went up to 44 lakhs, but I did not book the profit. So I'll explain you what happened after that and why I exited yesterday and what kind of profit I made. Okay, and the other trade is ITC. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I posted yesterday that I exited ITC. So I've been holding it for 4 months and I made a profit of around 20 lakhs with 16%, sorry, 27%, close to 27% of ROI. Let me explain in detail what happened in the chart so that you understand why I exited yesterday. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you. Hello guys, so I have McDowell's chart here in daily time frame. So please make sure to watch the previous video. This is a continuation video which I uploaded 10 months back around October 2021. So please watch that video. The video is on the comment section, so you can watch that and continue with this because this is a continuation video. Okay, so what happened, we traded this breakout, right? And I was pretty sure that this is going to test new levels like 1100 or 200 because the momentum was really good and I was expecting the same momentum to continue, but my 10 months of patience didn't pay off much. But at the same time my exit has been so good, the trade didn't go so bad. Okay, it is kind of an average trade. The reason why I call it an average trade is because I allocated a huge portion, which is like 1.16 crores, and I've been holding it for 10 months, right? So if I had a quick exit, I could have allocated in a different trade and made another 10% or 12% from a different swing trade and made much more money. But I did not do that. I was holding this trade for more than 10 months, hoping that I had my reason. Because normally when there is a monthly breakout like this, this stock has been in consolidation from 2015, almost 7 years. So my expectation is that okay, there is going to be 3 or 4 months of consolidation. Probably after 5th or 6th month it will again continue with this momentum, but I was wrong. And it's normal how, because if you do the backtesting well enough, so there are certain stocks where a stock would break out of a 7-year pattern and then it would move at least 200-300%. So I was kind of expecting, if not 200-300%, at least 100% returns, but the potential is still there, guys, just that the momentum did not continue. That is why I was waiting for the perfect exit, because I already wasted like a lot of time. So I realized that okay, the next time when McDowell's touch this trend line, correct, I will exit again. It could test this area. So on July 27th 2022 I exited my stock. Okay, let me show you the exact area where I exited. 854 is when I exited. 854. So this is where I exited, exactly here. Okay, I think this candle, morning some 9:45 candle is when I exited. It went up and then again such a drastic fall. I think I made a very good exit. My reason was this: it could test again. It could either break out or it could test this area. That was my assumption. Even if it breaks out, I was like, okay, I'll exit, and then if there is an opportunity, I will enter again. Probably I'll lose 1 or 2 lakhs of profit. I'm completely fine with that. So here when I exited with 21 lakhs profit. This is my, as you can see, this trade log. So this is my buy order. 721, and this is my sell order yesterday. Average price is 854.40. I'm pretty happy with the yesterday's exit. I had a perfect plan. You won't believe me, when at one point of time I was in a profit of more than 40 lakhs. Again, you could say that you should have exited with 40 lakhs profit, 42 lakhs profit. Again, in hindsight, everyone could have a different opinion. Anyone could say that, yeah, you should have exited, but when the momentum is there, you wouldn't want to exit, and that is why I was holding. But I learned my lesson. Probably I should have exited 50% profit, something like that. Again, I want to clarify that there is still a potential in this. Probably in weekly it does not look good. It could test this area again, which is like 694. Probably what could happen is McDowell's could touch this trend line, which is around 638. See, it has to touch slowly. It should not be a drastic fall. If things are looking good, I would buy again. So that is my plan for now. I'm okay. I'm not very disappointed with the trade, because the entry and the exit have been decent, not bad. If you look at in terms of monthly time frame, so this is where my entry was, not here, yeah, somewhere around here. This is where my entry was, and I exited around this area. So if you think in terms of monthly time frame, it doesn't look that bad, correct? So, but if I had exited somewhere around here, this was a terrible trade, right? So yeah, and yesterday I exited ITC as well. Two major trades, which is, yeah, this is where I entered, and this is where I exited. So people were asking, why did you exit? So I've been holding the stock for 4 months, and I realized that, okay, let me book the profits. Even if it goes up, I'm completely fine with it, because I'm gonna allocate to a different stock anyway, and I'm gonna make money from that. So probably ITC could retrace. I don't know. Probably ITC could just go up further. No one knows. In terms of monthly, it is still looking good. There are 3 more days left, but still in monthly time frame, this is looking, the momentum is still there. So but I am I'm very completely happy with my exit yesterday. So 2 major trades, and I exited with a very good profit. So yeah, I'm waiting for some good trades to enter, and if I find anything, I will come again with another profitable videos, right? So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So this would be my ITC's trade book. You can see that I bought it around 237 in the month of March, and this would be my exit trade books, because normally I show only the screenshot of my holdings, and some even have some doubts about, not everyone, just a few who are new to this channel. So I thought I would show these trade books as well. Yesterday was a big day, because I exited shares worth more than 2 crores, and yeah, I was busy the entire day, and I'm hoping that I would get a lot more opportunities like this. And yeah, if you are interested in learning all the price actions and how I do swing trades and how we capture mid caps and small cap stocks, feel free to join my community, the membership. You will learn from the videos, and you'll be a part of the community. So yeah, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll come up again with another video. So let's see how it goes. So thank you so much, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please let me know.